All right, now we're good now. Everyone get the prep work done, or any questions on that?
Yeah, I was looking over the group stuff, group meeting.
Uh
Have you guys started that yet?
Yeah, I'm on number 6.
Oh wow.
I
So,
haven't yet.
did you use SPSS for 3, 4, and 5?
No, you don't need it. You just that information you have there is all you need.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's like number 3.
Mm-hmm.
It's just giving you the equation and it's asking what the y-intercept is, and that's the first number, the 2.0.
Oh really?
And then the slope is the 1.5. So that's 4 and 5, and then I mean 3 and 4, and then number 5 you just put 16 as in as x, and you just run that equation, and it comes out to 1.
Oh, that's way easier than I thought I had to do.
I
As
hate
I understand, I'm good at overthinking everything, so.
Hold on one second. So when do you work next, Jeff?
I picked up Sunday night and Monday afternoon.
Oh, okay.
So I work Sunday 7p to 7a, and then Monday I work 3p to 3a.
Oh, that's kind of horrible.
It's not too bad. And then I've got meetings pretty much all day Thursday, and then Thursday afternoon I have to head down to Utah for that class. But that's nice because the hospital pays me for my drive time and then pays me for all my time in class.
Oh,
And
that's
then one
awesome.
of my coworkers got us free hotel rooms, so
Oh, wow.
it'll be nice.
So I'm just pulling up the math, if whatever thing for this next question.
Yeah.
Did you guys already have that up?
I'm trying to get mine up.
Okay. Wait, do we only have one more class meeting after this?
2 more. I think we have 2 next week.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Yeah, we've got lessons 23 and 24, and then that's it and then we have the test after that, and that's all we have left in this class.
Yeah.
that's
Oh,
awesome.
nice. So, Jeff, are you starting classes? Are you applying to schools after this?
Yeah, I'm going to start applying this fall and hopefully start next year.
Sweet.
I could start at Gonzaga University this year,
Oh, really?
but they're my last resort because they're about $40,000 more dollars than everywhere else.
Holy moly.
Jeez. Yeah. It's crazy. It's a nice place up there, though. Spokane's pretty nice, but yeah.
Yeah, it's a really good school. It's just too much money for me.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Compared to going to BYU, it's crazy.
Yeah,
Is it even more expensive than University of Utah?
it is because U of U you can get in-state tuition.
Oh wow.
They have ways of getting in-state tuition for Idaho residents, and Gonzaga's a private school, so they don't even do that with you. It's like almost $1,000 a credit hour.
Holy moly.
Yeah.
And it's the same as U of U. You have to go there twice a semester, and I mean it's from Idaho Falls. I think it's like 10 hours away when Utah is only a few hours.
Yeah.
Mhm. Whoa. All right. So on this next question,
I think it's a hot dog shape
let's see here.
because I don't think it's really looks like a banana or a hamburger.
Yeah.
So with the scatter plot, do we still do a simple scatter or
Yeah, you just go to graphs, legacy, dialog, scatter dot, and then just the simple scatter is the one you use.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And you thought it looked like a hot dog?
I think it looks more like a hot dog than anything else.
How it's going? It's like a positive, I don't know, grouping of stuff.
Because a banana would kind of curve upwards, and
Yeah.
a hot dog, I mean, a hamburger would just be everywhere. So I think it's mostly a hot dog, in my opinion,
That's what I think too.
Okay, but
because it kind of forms a positive line up to the right.
okay, yeah. Okay, mine's exactly the same. Sounds good.
And then, so I think number 7 is C, because it does take that kind of a hot dog shape. You could make it work for the simple linear regression.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I mean, I could be wrong, but that's just what I think.
No, that makes yeah, that makes sense.
Bless you.
Thanks.
So would number 8 be 139 because that's how many samples they have?
Not just the sample count. That's what I was thinking too.
How many did you guys say?
139.
139.
So did you guys, to get that information, did you go?
I just scrolled down to the bottom of the list.
Oh, and just okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, that makes sense. Trying to make this a lot harder than it needs to be.
I do that too. With this math especially.
Yeah.
I'm good at it also. I think we all are. I think everybody is.
So on this next one though, we have to. Isn't this where we have to analyze it?
Yeah.
So we go to analyze regression, automatic linear remodeling or modeling. And what do you do from after that? I'm confused. This looks different than what I was watching.
So, yeah, you do analyze, regression, and then linear regression. Or linear, I mean.
Oh, you don't do the automatic linear?
No.
Ah, that's where I'm going wrong.
I did the same thing, and I had to hurry and go to the reading to remember.
Yeah.
Linear. I see.
And so it says, be sure to use confidence data for explanatory variable and score as the response variable. So confidence, I think, would be independent, and then score would be the dependent because that's the response variable, right?
Yeah, I think so.
That makes sense.
And then, is there anything special we have to do on the side?
No, I don't. Not for this one. I don't think. Not yet.
Okay. Okay, so then we got the 18.690 and the
Yep.
19.695 for the understanding coefficients. So which ones are y-intercept? Is that the 18.69?
So the y-intercept is the constant, so yeah, the 18.69, and the slope is would be the 12.6.
0.695.
Yep.
Okay. Of y when x is 4. So is this the one when we add 4 into the equation?
Yeah.
Which one was y again? Y is for score. Or no?
Yeah, so y is the first one, so
Is this the one where we used automatic recode, or is it still linear?
you can use, so on this one you can put down at the bottom, put a 4 in the score, and then I can't remember exactly how you do the next part.
I think after that we go, maybe it is linear, and then we go to the same, we leave it the same, and then we go to save, and then just do
Oh, that's right.
under standardized for the predicted values, and then that's it, I think, and that should open it for us.
Yep, it did. Oh, except it didn't give me one for 4. Just give me a period.
So where would that data be at?
Or maybe 4 was supposed to be under the confidence rating. Oh, yep, there it is.
So we did it backwards.
Sorry guys, my SPSS is going like super crazy right now.
Oh, you're fine. So where did you say it gave you that answer at, Joe?
What's that?
I mean, Jeff. Sorry.
What's that?
Where did you say you got that answer at?
So I put the 4 as the confidence rating mean and did it, and it gave me a 69.46935.
Confidence rating mean. So on your graph, where is that? Oh, I see. Oh, mine still didn't pop up with anything. What? You got 69 point what?
1 second.
I might just borrow your answer for this one because my SPSS
All right.
is like.
So for 11, I got 69. Well, this is what I'm not sure what to put because normally, you know, we round to 3, but it says your answer should be exact. So I put all the decimals in. It's 69.46935.
69 point what?
46935.
935. Okay.
And then I just put the numbers in the little equation just to make sure we put the right y and slope. And it gave us 69.47. So I mean, we did that right, I think.
Okay. So I'm confused. Mine didn't come up with anything in variables removed. Let's see here. You put your 4 underneath the confidence rating mean, right?
Yeah.
And then you just went to analyze, regression, linear, and then score was still dependent, wasn't it? And y was and confidence rating mean was still independent.
Let me get there. Yeah, you hit save, and then you do under predicted values, unstandardized.
Okay, I don't know why mine went.
Dependent is score, and independent is confidence rating mean.
And then just okay, right?
Yeah.
Mine's not giving me anything.
And then you have to go back to the page where you put the data in.
Oh, you have to go there.
Yeah, you have to click on the data
I remember now.
data editor. That threw me for a loop in the prep.
Whoops. 69.4. I've done it like 3 times and I have like 3 extra columns of it. It's like, we're giving you the answer. Just look at it. All right.
Gosh, I'm gonna just have to go back on this one and figure it out later, because
Okay.
yeah, mine's totally lost, but
All right. I have no idea what to do for number 12.
That's what I'm thinking. I've got no idea either. I don't remember reading anything about this.
Yeah, me either. Super confused.
yeah.
Hence, because there is a positive correlation, we can use the largest x value to find the predicted value of y.
Huh. Let me check it out.
There's a prediction section in our reading. Is that what we're supposed to do in our SPSS? In 2.5, I think it was.
I'm not sure.
Okay, well, see ya. Ay, ay, ay.
Well, shoot, I don't have the slightest idea.
So at the bottom of the lesson, in Remember, it says linear regression allows us to predict values of y for a given x. This is done by first calculating the coefficients and then plugging in the desired value of x and solving for y. So I think on this, is number 12 still correlated with?
Yeah, it would be correlated with everything else we've done since 9.
Yeah.
So we just use these coefficients. I think it's the 18.69 plus 12.695, and then our x, whatever the largest x is in that, what we just
So the
did.
largest x could be a 6, because it's on a scale of 1 to 6.
Is there a 6 in the data?
There's a 5.3.
There's a 5.83 at the bottom.
Yeah, that's the biggest I see is 5.83.
All right. And then I just think we plug in 5.83, just like we did on that problem. What is the predicted value of y when x is 4 on number 11? Oh, no, sorry. What is
16 and
or number 5. It's the exact same thing, I think.
Yeah.
Except we had to find X. I think.
I think that's what we're supposed to do. Just use
So
that.
we already have the information then, because when we did that new thing, it gave us 92.70088.
Oh. And I just did the math for that, and that is exactly what I got. Well, I got 92.70185. So I got 92.702 if we have to round.
So that's my question. Should we round to 3 decimals on these ones? Like on 11, should we round to that to 3 decimals? Or?
It says your number should be exact.
Yeah.
So on 12, where did you say you got that number at, Jeff?
So it's the same way like when we put in the 4 to get the 69.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
If you go up to where the 5.83 is, it gives us the same number as if we put 5.83 in the bottom.
Ooh.
So it gives us the 92.70088.
70088. Hmm. 92.70088.
Yeah. I'm so ready for this class to be over with.
Yeah, me too.
All right, you guys. Since my thing is going crazy, how about I submit this before you guys do, and I'll tell you if the numbers have to be exact or not. So I feel kind of useless this morning.
No, you're fine.
You're good, dude.
So you think? I don't know. I don't know why SPSS gave us a different number.
Well, it said in the reading and everywhere that SPSS will give you a different number than if you do the equation manually.
Oh, well, that's the reason why then. All right.
Because of rounding and all sorts of stuff. It said the SPSS is more accurate or something like that.
Okay, cool. That's great to know.
Like, you humans will never be as good, so.
So I'm not sure what 13 and 14 should be.
Yeah.
Should there only be one independent variable?
I was thinking it needs to be at least like 1 and 1, but I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I'm not sure either. I'm just. Yeah.
I was thinking 1 and 1, but yeah, I don't know.
Because it just has to form a line, doesn't it?
Yeah. So there's yeah.
So you think 13 is 1 and 14 is 1?
Or maybe 13's 2 to form the line, and then 14 would be 1 because you could match that up anywhere. I honestly don't know.
Yeah.
I'm combing through the reading a little bit, but I'm not seeing anything.
Yeah, I looked. I didn't see anything either.
I can try 1 and 1 if you want.
Yeah, but then you get a bad grade if we got it wrong.
I don't want that. Let me look one more thing here and scroll through it.
What would be considered a variable? Isn't that the whole row?
I don't know.
Because if the independent, if each data is considered a variable, I mean, there's 100. How many is there? 139. But I don't know if that's what it's. Probably not what it's meaning.
I think at any given point, like if you're given a point in the data, there can only be one independent variable and then one dependent variable because that's where one point would meet, you know. But is it asking for all of them or just for one point?
I remember reading something that there's like a multiple linear regression too. So would that mean anything over 2? Because we're just doing simple linear regression. I think it's 1 and 1, but I'm not. I have no proof or evidence or any true idea.
It says sometimes it is necessary to use more than one predictor independent variable to predict the value of the response dependent variable. I don't know if that gives us the answer. I don't think it does.
Oh, so right here in the introduction, simple linear regression is the method used to fit a line to data. This provides a powerful tool to model the variate data, i.e. data involving 2 variables. Regression also allows to write a linear independent. Yeah, I think it's 1 and 1. Because to do it, you just need one measurement of each.
I'm gonna submit this right now with 1 and 1, and I'll tell you guys if it's good.
Alrighty then.
Yeah, that's right. The only one we got wrong was number 12.
Dang it.
Did I put this in wrong? Is it 92.70088?
That's what I put in.
Yeah, that's wrong, but that's the only one.
Well, since we already know what's wrong, I'm going to try putting in my equation.
Yeah.
See if 92.70185 is what I'm putting in. Just to see if the calculator did do it correctly.
Yeah.
Nope, still wrong.
Well, I'm going to try and just do it instead of using the 5 point whatever. I'm going to do it with a full 6 and see what that gives us.
Oh, okay. that makes sense.
Yep, that was it.
So it was 6.
It was 6, so 94.86.
That makes sense.
Dang.
Sean was overthinking it again, I guess.
That's what I thought it was at the beginning, but then it says,
and then
what is the maximum predicted value of these values of x?
Oh, yeah.
That's stupid.
Well, I was just thinking, yeah, I was thinking the same thing though. Like if that's the maximum value they gave us was like 5.8, then
yeah,
that's but
all right. So when are we gonna meet again? Tuesday?
So I can meet Tuesday, but 8 a.m. might be pushing it a little bit.
Okay.
because I won't get home till about 4 a.m.
Oh wow. Well, I could do it in the afternoon. That's not a big deal. That might work better.
Afternoon works for me too.
So what, like early afternoon, late afternoon?
Anytime's good for me.
Should we say
I say like, what time do you want to sleep till?
I'll probably be up and about by 10 or 11, so 2 o'clock.
How about we do 3 o'clock or
Perfect.
4? Because I work that night too, and I want. I don't know if I want to wake up that early.
Yeah.
Would 4 be too late for you guys?
No, I could probably do that just fine.
That works for me.
Okay.
Say at 4 o'clock.
Okay. Thanks, guys. Sorry.
You're good, dude. All right, guys, take it easy. Have a good